you ever wanted more manageable, softer, smoother, shinier, more luxurious hair? Keratin Complex Therapy is your answer. What's so special about this system is it reduces up to 95% of the frizz and curl, leaving your hair smoother, shinier, and silkier and more luxurious. The whole process is you come in for a consultation and I answer any questions that you might have. After that, we go over to the shampoo bowl, we clarify your hair with shampoo, which opens up the cuticle, which allows the keratin complex to infuse into the cuticle. After that, we go back to this chair, we blow dry your hair, completely dry, and then we put the Keratin Complex Therapy from root to ends on your hair. You sit for 30 minutes in the process. After that, we blow your hair completely dry again, and then we use a special 450-degree flat iron, which seals the keratin into the hair. It's a good idea after the process is done for the next 72 hours that you don't pull your hair back into a ponytail or put it back with sunglasses. You'd like the hair to be in its natural fall. That way you don't get any bends in the hair. The best product to use with the maintenance of the hair is the Keratin Complex shampoo, which is sodium chloride sulfate free. The manufacturer suggests that you use their products to have the results last up to 3 to 5 months. Typically, anyone can be a candidate for this service. The difference between the Keratin Complex Therapy over the Japanese straightening is this allows you to still have body and movement and curl in your hair, whereas the Japanese straightening allows you to only style your hair one way. The Keratin Complex Smoothing Therapy revitalizes and rejuvenates the hair and gives you the hair you've always wanted.